Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product image element. The product image element is a mini element which shows the featured image for a product on the page. In order to use the product image element, we need first insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me remove the default product image. Then I can insert a product image element into the product. Select the product to show, and it looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product image element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Then we can enable link to product page. So when we click on the image, it will take us to the product page. We can change the image resolution. Most of the time, we want to set it as original, but if you want the page to load faster, we can make it to a smaller size. Then we can adjust the width. We can change the height. By default, the height is auto. We can change it by pixel. Let's say I want it to be 300 pixels, and make sure to change the width to auto, and it looks like this. We can align the image to the left, to center, or to the right. Adjust image border radius, and you see the curve here. Add a filter for the image to blur, to grayscale, to hue rotate, to invert, sepia, adjust brightness, adjust contrast, and adjust saturation. We can also add a hover effect to zoom or show the next image. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.